Hello everyone, in this video we are starting exercise 9.4 and we are solving the first three part of question number first. In this case you have to multiply these two binomial. Binomial means any expression having two terms. So this is the first plus this is the second. I have already told you the terms is differentiated by the number of signs. Means if you want to check how many terms are there in this expression, we count the number of signs. So this is the first sign negative and here it is not written, so we consider this as positive. So there are two terms. Similarly here also there are two terms. So here you have to multiply this with this. This is same as when you multiply 23 with 12. Here our two digits are multiplied by two digits. So what you do is you multiply 2 with both the digits. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 2 is 4. After that you multiply this one with both the terms. So this will be 3, 2 and after that you add them. So same case with this also. Here are two terms and here are two terms. So if you want to multiply these two terms, 2x plus 5 when multiplied by 4x minus 3, you have to multiply this term with both the terms and similarly you have to multiply this 5 with both the terms. So let's multiply this 2x when multiplied by 4x. So constants are multiplied together. So 2 into 4 is 8 and variables are multiplied together. So x multiplied by x, the base is same. So the power will be added. I have already told you when the power is not mentioned, it is considered 1. Now you have to multiply this with 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6 with negative sign because this is negative sign and there will be x. After that you have to multiply this 5 with both the terms. So 5 multiplied by 4 because these two having positive sign. So this will become positive and 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 with x. And at the last, this is another thing. And after that you have to multiply 5 with 3. So this will be minus 15 because plus minus is minus. So you can further solve this. For that you have to find out the like terms. So obviously these two are the like terms because these both has x as its variable. So plus minus is minus. So 20 minus 6 is 14 with positive sign because greater value has positive sign and minus 15 will remain as it is. So this is the answer for this first question. Similarly here also if you want to multiply this and this, there is no need to put the multiple sign here because if there are two things in bracket, it is considered they are multiplying. Now you have to multiply this y with both the terms. So y multiplied by y will 3y square. Y multiplied by 4 will give 4y minus and 8 you have to multiply with both the terms. So 8 multiplied by 3 with negative sign, positive negative is negative. 8 3s are 24 y and negative and multiplied will give positive and 8 into 4 is 32. So now I have multiplied all the expressions with each other. Now I have to further solve this. For that I have to check the like terms. So obviously this and these are the like terms. Both has same variable with them. So minus is plus. So this will give 28y with negative sign because greater value has negative sign and this is 32. So this is the answer here. Similarly, if you want to multiply these two, I can write this as, this is the first term and 2.5L plus 0.5M as the second term. So you have to multiply this with both the terms. So 25 multiplied by 25 is actually 625 and there will be 2 decimal. So I have to put decimal counting 2 from the right. So 1, 2 and there is a decimal. L multiplied by L will give L square. Now I have to multiply this with 0.5. So 25 into 5 is 125. And after that, again I have to put 2 decimals. So I'll put 2 decimal after counting from the right. And L multiplied by M will be LM. And these two multiply will give positive. Now I have to multiply this second term with both the terms. For that, this when multiplied by this, 5 multiplied by 25 will give 125. And there are 2 decimals, so I have to put 2 decimals after counting from 2 from the right. And positive negative is negative, and M multiplied by L will give LM. And after that I have to multiply this with 0.5. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. M multiplied by M will give M square. And again there are 2 decimals, so I have to put 2 decimal after counting from the right. And positive negative will give negative. So this is the expression. To solve it further, I have to check the like terms. Again this is like terms. Plus minus will be cancelled. And this will be 6.25 L square. And the remaining one 0.25 M square. So this should be the answer here. I hope you have understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any problem in maths, you can contact us. The phone number and the email address is given below in the description. Thank you.